Okay, so lots of people have been asking me about how I put this Snowblower carburetor on my Sears. It's an ST12 with the 12 horse Tecumseh. But anyways, so lots of people have been asking me how I did it, and it's actually quite a straightforward swap. All I needed to do is, you see, I got this piece of rod here for the throttle, and then the next biggest thing was the mounting bolts for this. You can see, actually you can't because it won't focus. That's this right here, that's a screw off of the snowblower that mounted the carb to the motor. But over here, I've just got the original stud from the tractor. The reason I couldn't do that there is because the head of the nut would just rub against the carb body, so that wouldn't work. But otherwise, I just took the fuel line up like normal. All it really needs now is the cable for the choke, which won't be too hard, and the air filter. So I'm just going to make up an air filter of some sort, but it saved me having to pay a bunch of money for an aftermarket carburetor or an OEM one. So yeah, this weekend I've got to put a spark plug insert in the head, so you'll see that